Okay, so you guys, I have a fan on, and I don't know if you guys remember, I was born in '88, so I don't know if you guys remember the Mariah Carey video when her hair is like all in the wind and like she's singing. But that's the effect that I have a little fan, so whatever. I wanted to come on here for like a minute and a half maybe just to introduce myself, because I haven't done that so far. So I'm new to this YouTube vlogging thing, and what I want to do is I'm going to start doing reviews on hair, like, because I recently discovered like I love hair. I think about hair all the time and I always want to switch my hair. So I'm going to start doing reviews on different wigs or sew-ins or whatever. But just, you know, subscribe and let me know what you guys think about any of my videos. If you guys have anything you want me to review or to try, let me know. I can also do that as well. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe and comment below, and I will be back shortly with another hair review. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.